Okay guys, we have the iQOO 9 Pro. We're going to run a gaming test out the 8 Gen 1 in this device. We'll also do some temperature tests. So at the moment it's like 24, that's 24.5, yeah, 24.7. So that's the temperature now. It's not really doing anything, it's doing nothing. So let's see what the temperature is at the end of this gaming test. We're going to be testing Call of Duty and PUBG New State as well. So let's warm up with Call of Duty. Okay guys, so I'm going to take you through the settings first. I know you all like to see what the graphical settings it can do, frame rate. Played about with it yesterday, and that is what we've got. Graphical quality very high, and frame rate is maximum. Low, medium, high, very high, maximum, or low, medium, high, very high. So that is the maximum settings you can have. I have it on realistic. I have all the anti-aliasing on as well, depth of field. Can we have ragdoll on? Yeah, I have ragdoll on, all that on. Multiplayer, put all that on, just in case what game we're playing. I'm not sure what game we're playing yet. We don't do zombies. Okay, so that's the settings we have in there. Okay, now time to jump into a game. Okay guys, let's go. See how smooth the gameplay is. I mean, it looks really nice. And this beautiful display. Graphically, it looks absolutely great.
Contact with enemy.
Cool.
Enemy contact. Need backup. Tango down. Tango down. Enemy contact.
Recon ready for deployment.
Now guys, remember this is purely a video
Killer drone deployed.
on the performance of the phone.
Need backup.
Nothing to do with my gaming skills at all.
We lost the lead.
You're a noob. You're a noob. That's what I get on most videos.
Close. Fight harder.
Contact with enemy. Target down.
I don't care if the box. Nope, it's looking good. Smooth gameplay, no issues in performance as of yet.
Need backup. Enemy down.
Even after my CPU throttling test earlier.
Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted.
Tango down.
Like I said, in real life situations and scenarios, you're not really gonna notice it. We're playing PUBG next though, so see how that
Enemy
performs.
contact. Enemy down. Target's inside.
Ah,
Target down.
enjoy. Come on.
Enemy contact.
Burn, baby, burn. Oh man.
Drone inbound.
Oh, I'll lose the flamethrower. It's not fair, mate.
Enemy contact. Grenade, run. Grenade.
Heads up, team. Enemy UAV spotted.
Oh. Come on, shoot. Oh, defeat. I'm not surprised. Absolutely crap there, mate. Do a little test, heat test. 36.3.
Enemy contact. Target's inside.
37 down here. So we had 37.3 on there. So that's gone up like over 10 degrees Celsius, that has. Right, let's jump into PUBG now. Graphically, this is what we're playing with, look. We have max frame rate. If we try to go to extreme, it says this option is not yet supported. We have ultra graphics as well. Again, coming soon for graphics. If we put the graphics down light, we still can't go to extreme frame rate either. That's locked. I think we're at the maximum as well. We can't even go higher graphics if we have low frame rate. So that is the max performance frame rate and ultra graphics. We have anti-aliasing on. Brightness screen filter is standard. And there are the other settings there as well. So that's what we're going to go with and jump into the game. Okay, so we're just in the lobby. Just want to show you I've installed this air trigger on there as well to take control of the firing or the punching or whatever. Just think it frees up this sort of area ready for me just to move around.
I need help.
No, you don't. Okay guys, so we are ready. Full graphical settings, the highest frame rate possible. Let's see how smooth this part is. Lots of detail there in the terrain, you can see. A bit closer. Should we jump now? Let's jump now. Get you right up close to it a bit. I've played this before, I wonder why it's giving me little tutorial things. And that is looking super, very good. Where should I land? That looks pretty good over there. And the parachute has been released. That's how long it lasts before I get killed. Everything's looking good there, guys. Smooth so far. Just wondering how hot the Snapdragon is going to be after this. Right. And boom, run the ground. Quick. Let's get some guns.
Thank you.
Thank you. What's that? Is that me? Oh, is that this stupid trigger keep firing? I can hear someone. Where are they? Ah. Boom. That will do. I might have to take this trigger off because it keeps automatically firing. Don't like that. Boom. Whoa, that was close. Oh, shit, is that me? I don't think this little air trigger is working correctly. I do have another one here. Unless the batteries are going low on this one. Oh.
Sorry.
See if this one works. Right, it's working. Whether it will do accidental shots or not, I don't know.
Thank you.
So much better with this trigger, you know. Boom. So what do you guys think, if you've been watching long enough? Graphically, looks very good, excellent, high graphics. Gameplay has been smooth as well so far. No issues at all. I think I've fixed the dodgy trigger now. I've got a different trigger on. So firing is fine. Where am I? Am I there? Got ya. What have you got in there for me?
Sorry.
I don't understand what you're saying sorry for. What's that noise? Oh shit. No. Whew. Oh shit, someone on that tram. Oof. Jeez. Got some kills today. Wow. Aha. Eight kills. Not bad. Oh. Aha. Oh shoot. Someone else is there. Who is it? Someone trying to run me over. Well, I need some bandages. Quick. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Fantastic. Number one. So our squad won. 11 kills I got. They got 12 kills. Fantastic. So I want to do a quick 40. Oh dear, 40, 39. Oh, 41. 40.8, yeah, so around. Okay, so 41. So remember, it started around 26. And it got all the way to 41. Just double check around here and down here maybe. Oh, it's 39 down there. Okay, so 41 in terms of temperature. And like all the tests on most of the flagship sort of phones, gameplay was absolutely fine, absolutely smooth, graphically was excellent, and it's not too hot to hold either. So in my eyes, that is an absolute pass. It really is. Let's get rid of that. Yeah, so that was my gaming test on the iQOO 9 Pro. Any questions, pop them down below. If you enjoy this sort of content, then please hit that subscribe button and smash the like button, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.